Sab, Aja. Getting ready for the boat ride in Loktak Lake. Look at this. So here we are our boating team, and he's the pilot. So this is the road we are getting in. Okay, the balance of the go. कैसे जाना oh okay. Okay, so here we are in a boat. First time. This is our boating team beginning the ride from here, and we're going to see the tour in the boat. Whoa! जबरदस्त हो गया कुछ कह रहे हैं इसमें जबरदस्त हो रहा है बढ़िया हो रहा है ठीक है तो 2:05 Wow, what an experience. A boating experience here in the Loktak Lake. The ride begins from the point of the starts there. ये तो कैमरा है ना तो एकदम जबरदस्त अच्छे से कैप्चर कर लेगा हाँ दिखाई देते हैं वहीं from है कितना छोटा था ये है यहाँ का विष्णुपुर I do विष्णुपुर में विष्णुपुर लोकताक प्रोजेक्ट नहीं है कोई झारखंड से वहीं झारखंड अलग-अलग स्टेट से मैंने कोई गंगम जम्मू नहीं है कोई गंगम जम्मू नहीं है दिमापुर है concert जाओगे ओके और concert समय yesterday blue okay मैंने तो yeah we have boats returning हाँ आइजो 좀 누나 like the patient तमें professional 정도입니다 좀나 내가 내내 보니 좀나 travel you don't have to 아주 job 좀 하면 돼 근데 또 colleague 네 civil inspection CSR atong the tribesman vlogs YouTube. tribesman 777 TRIBESMAN. Again, I told you na atong travel kung record videos kung sa niya ay pag-hawag yun. So there we go, the ride is continuing here. So we have the experienced pilot here. So we got this, what do you call, multi-purpose cap. This can be used to protect the, you know, from the sunlight, from the harmful sun rays, to, you know, to cover up for the rainfall. Here we are with gas. You can see here I think it's a lodging house atop the water. And all of these vegetations you are seeing here, it's floating. You know, they are built up, you know, in times, you know, to make these habitations. Creates an environment for the flora and the fauna of this region. So all of us, we are now here experiencing the ride. The boat ride. So you can see here all the way around this, we have the small hilltops surrounding this lake. These are inhabited by the locals. And most of the occupations, of course, everyone's are in their own jobs, businesses. And the major occupations around here is the fishery benefits that the lake can provide. Maybe in any kinds of jobs around here, you know, are mostly benefited to the locals. This is the lake which is known in the world as the as the biggest freshwater lake in the Asia continent. And we should promote more of tourism, you know, regardless of which locations we belong from. So it's so beautiful, right, to remember. And you can see two boats behind that tourist boat are the local fishermen. You know, how beautiful is it? Wow, it's lovely. ये देखो सर, ये पानी के ऊपर है ये, हाँ पानी के ऊपर में वो फ्लोटिंग कर रहा है, हाँ मिट्टी में है, ये फ्लोटिंग इसलिए बोलता है, ये जो सारे हैं ना पानी के ऊपर ही है, तो यहाँ से लेके वो एक नेशनल पार्क, फ्लोटिंग नेशनल पार्क वो इसी से ही बनता है. And this is a spot for, you know, a pre-booking is required here to come and dine their own food. You know, some expenses have been given to them. And so now here we have a boat departing from here. So there we go. The boat is departing from this anchor spot. Yoroko Hana. Okay, photo sessions. All right. Thank you. Ha ha ha. Wow. Experiencing a walk atop of this grassy weed vegetations. कौन सा? हिल रहा है थोड़ा हल्का हिल रहा है लेकिन कोई बात. Atop of this floating grass weeds. What an experience. Yes, I can still walk. As jump toward swim toning hai. Snowy ni bo. Wow. आना है सर, आप आना है? नहीं, आप भी आ जाओ सर, एक खिंचवा लो. Wow, capturing the unique beauty and the experience from here, the Loktak Lake. Wow, it's shaky. It's about like 20 feet deep, they said, around this area. Can I see you in the next part of the video? Wow, what a great formations here. The local boats of the local fishermen are on the way. Woo! Look at that. The fishermen, they came back doing their daily work.
Random dengan lada. Random video lada.
I missed it.
I also missed it.
mereka kuning dia ni. Ya. Wow, that was amazing. We drive through that phumdi. So now we're finally disembarking from the boat. We have reached the station here. Wow, what an experience. Yes, thank you. Finally ended the boat ride. Huh? Ngasay hanglamne. Ngasay patna hanglamne basayda. Nungsina muk pura kaya ba ko. Right. Oh. Asyara am noel. Padana noel. Bagi mindi kri ko bro. Ha? Oh, Abinas ngasay haram me ka ko. Muk tenar se ko. Noel. Oh. Yes, finally reached. Take it, sir. So these are our boarding ride team. Yay!
Yay!
See you in the next video. Our pilot. We're seeing off. We'll meet again. All right. Ciao from here.